1107 Majestic Island, Philippines. When you see national costume, it is not how sexy and beautiful. It is a traditional Filipino costume and I proudly promoting the product of ecotourism. Well, ladies and gentlemen, standing here in front of you is a 21-year-old freelance fashion designer from Novaliches, Quezon City. My name is Angel John Artita, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, one of the most prettiest in our showbiz, ang minsan nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Mateo Gurucelli. Kapiling niyo po gabi-gabi sa Maria Pinay Mercedes. Opo, ako ang nag-iisang Pinay, McDougals, Binibining Jessie Menjola. Na nag-iiwan po sa inyo ng isang paalala. Kailanman po ang pagiging isang bakla ay hindi naging masama kung hindi kami gagawa ng sarili namin kasasama. Dahil maging sino man sa atin, ikaw o ako, tayong lahat ay anak ng Diyos. Maraming salamat.